Hello everybody, welcome to the last instalment on the mini-series on refurbishing a Smith's heater. As you can see, this is the finished product and I'm really pleased with it. I think it's turned out really well. Sorry for the change of venue for the video. Garage is a bit taken over at the minute because we're having building work done, but I thought I'd make this quick video just to show you the finished product. So I have the heater box here, and if you compare it to another one I have in storage, which is similar condition to the one I had, this one was in before I started, you can see just how far we've come with it. Start from the bottom then. This bit's hidden from view, wasn't really too worried about its presentation. Gave it a quick paint up. Heater controls working nicely. Some nice stainless self-tappers in there that aren't going to rust. You can see the nice satin finish to that front cover. It's turned out really well. It's the heater motor. Wee bit rough maybe on the front cover, but to be honest, I'm quite happy. Wasn't aiming for perfection, just really nice and tidy. 2 wires here, managed to salvage a clip, and the bolts have turned up quite tidy after I cleaned out the threads. I managed to source the stickers online. Just got them off eBay and I think it's a really nice touch just to finish it off. The grommets have come in well around the input and output pipes, and the clips have come in nicely as well. There's another sticker in there as well, just on top of the motor. Some paint had got on the wires over time, so I sanded that off just to bring a bit of colour back in. The clips there. If you compare it to the old one, there really is no comparison. Wires are tatty, rusty, surface rust. The valve doesn't really work. You know, this is where we were before. This is how far we've come. So not too bad for what? Only a fortnight's work. A couple of spray cans. Bit of sanding, paint removal. The motor works nicely. The matrix is well flushed. Sorry, you can hear the builder's one. Set this box up for you to see. Whenever I was putting this clip on, I scratched the paint at the top, but I was able to blow it in with the satin, and being a good repair. I love these wee details. You can see the spot welds coming in and on the top as well. Another view here, that sticker coming out nicely there in the light. I think the motor should probably be maybe 120 degrees rotated that way, but I'm not that fussy. I think it's good. So overall it's going to make a really nice accent to the work, certainly compared to the old one, and I'll keep you updated with further developments. Next up is the radiator, the fan pulley, and then I'm going to get the rocker cover off to get sandblasted, so stay tuned. Please subscribe by hitting the subscribe button, which should appear on your screen now. I'm always happy to have comments, compliments and updates. Please like the video as well, and we'll speak to you soon. Thanks very much.